जर वेळेत ट्रीटमेंट मिळाली असती तर आज नक्कीच आमच्या त्या बाळासोबत बाळाची आई असती आणि हा घाणेरडा दिवस आज आम्हाला बघायला नसता मिळाला.
Hello and welcome to this special coverage about the Deenanath Mangeshkar Hospital incident, exclusively brought to you by Pune Times Mirror. In the heart of Pune, a tragic incident has raised serious concerns about healthcare practices in the region. A young, pregnant woman, Tanisha Bhise, allegedly lost her life under alarming circumstances at the renowned Deenanath Mangeshkar Hospital. The cause of her untimely death? A hospital's refusal to admit her, citing inability to pay an advance deposit of rupees 10 lakh. This case has shocked the city and sparked widespread outrage. Tanisha Bhise, a woman in her late 20s, was in critical need of medical care during her pregnancy. She was reportedly experiencing complications that required immediate attention. However, when Tanisha and her family arrived at the Deenanath Mangeshkar Hospital, they were denied admission due to inability to pay a rupees 10 lakh admission fee. Despite the urgency of the situation, the hospital allegedly refused to treat her without the payment. Tanisha's family claims that the refusal led to her death, sparking outrage and calls for justice. In response to these allegations, Deenanath Mangeshkar Hospital has denied the claims, stating that they followed all standard protocols and procedures. Pune Times Mirror broke the story on 2nd April after she died the previous day, following which Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis assured strict action against the hospital management if found guilty. Pune Times Mirror's report reached the state government as state BJP President Chandrasekhar Bawankure spoke to Pune Times Mirror, seeking details of the incident and appreciated the coverage. Bawankure further said that the incident is shocking. Hospitals cannot deny admission in an emergency. However, this woman and her family were allegedly held hostage due to non-payment. The government has initiated an inquiry into the matter and will take strong action to ensure that no hospital dares to deny treatment to any patient. Political leaders have expressed their strong disapproval of the hospital's actions. BJP MLC Amit Gorkhe condemned the hospital's refusal to admit Tanisha, calling it inhumane and a clear violation of medical ethics. Shiv Sena UBT leader Sushma Andhare also voiced her concerns, calling for strict action against the hospital and stronger regulations to prevent such incidents. Political parties across Maharashtra, including the NCP, SP and Congress, have demanded a thorough investigation into the matter. Meanwhile, today, Jai Lahuji Sena activists staged a protest, highlighting the rising anger over this incident. Outside the hospital, protests have erupted, with social organizations and local communities demanding accountability. Demonstrators gathered in large numbers, demanding justice for Tanisha and calling for a review of hospital policies to prevent such heart-wrenching situations in the future. The public's reaction has been swift, with widespread discussions on social media. The hashtags Justice for Tanisha and Hospital Negligence are trending, with many voicing their anger at the hospital's alleged actions. In response to the growing outrage, Maharashtra's CM Devendra Fadnavis visited the hospital and expressed deep concern over the incident. He assured the people that strict action would be taken and an inquiry would be conducted. The state government has formed a committee to investigate the matter thoroughly and has issued notices to the hospital, the Pune Municipal Corporation, that is PMC, and the Maharashtra State Commission for Women. The family of Tanisha Bhise has shared their heartbreaking account of the events with Pune Times Mirror. In an emotional statement, they emphasized the trauma they experienced while trying to secure medical treatment for Tanisha. They refuted the hospital's claims, stating that no alternative arrangements were offered despite the emergency. Tanisha's family has now met the Chief Minister, seeking justice and accountability. They are determined to ensure that no other family has to endure such a tragedy. The hospital, in its official statement, has expressed regret over the incident and claimed that it is reviewing its policies to avoid such situations in the future. The hospital has announced that in emergency cases, it will no longer require a deposit upfront before treatment. As protests continue outside the hospital, the community remains united in seeking justice for Tanisha. Footage from today's protests show the anger and frustration of citizens who demand better healthcare practices and stricter regulations for hospitals. This tragic loss has left a community shaken and asking important questions about the quality of healthcare and the treatment of patients in critical conditions. It remains to be seen what actions will be taken to prevent such incidents in the future. The demand for justice is clear. It's time for accountability, transparency, and compassion in healthcare. The people of Maharashtra await answers. What is your opinion regarding the matter? Let us know in the comments down below. Stay tuned for more such interesting news and updates, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow Pune Times Mirror's social media handles to stay abreast of the latest news and updates. This is Shreyas Wange from Pune Times Mirror.